Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you how I made some easy high-end DIY Christmas decor pieces. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is how I made this beautiful wreath using this frisbee from Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I had already spray painted this frisbee from a previous project. And all you're going to do is just go ahead and add your glue to the back of your frisbee. Or if you don't have a frisbee like this one, you can easily use one of the Dollar Tree rings for your wreaths. And then just add a dot of glue in the back and start wrapping your nautical rope around your ring. Now, this nautical rope, I purchased it at a thrift store a few months ago. I always try to keep an eye out on different items throughout the year at thrift stores or even at the clearance aisles at different stores, and just keep it in my craft stockpile so I can use it for, upcoming projects or what have you. So that's a good trick to keep everything more budget friendly. Also to do is just keep an eye out for off-season clearance items and just save them in a box for the following year or for any kind of crafting that you may need that for, which again will keep it more budget friendly. So what I did again was just add some glue to the back of my frisbee and then start wrapping my nautical rope around the frisbee. Now you can continue to add a little bit of dots of glue throughout your wrapping. That way you can make sure that your rope stays in place and it doesn't fall or come apart. If you're going to use this for outdoors, I would recommend you start by adding maybe some permanent glue like E6000 or Fix-All glue just at the beginning to make sure that it does stay in place throughout the weather, depending, the weather changing and what have you. So just again, really simple, continue wrapping your nautical rope around your entire form. So as you can see, I wasn't completely done wrapping the nautical rope around my form. So what I did was I just grabbed the regular nautical rope from Dollar Tree to completely finish wrapping the nautical rope around my entire reef. So once you're done wrapping your nautical rope around your entire reef, all you're going to do is start decorating. And I thought I was recording, but what I did was just get one of the twist tie garland wraps, cut it in little pieces, and then glued it 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. Then I got some wood pieces, glued those on top, and then this really adorable birdhouse is an ornament from Dollar Tree. So I just kind of glued that right at the top also, and just started adding some berries and some little pine cones that I had in my craft supplies. So just go ahead and add whatever you like. And then in order for me to hang it, what I did was just cut a piece of nautical rope and glued it to the back of my ring. Now, if you are going to use this outdoors, again, use some hot glue along with your permanent glue as well. And there you have it, an adorable wreath. Now, what I did to remove, and usually I do this for every project, to remove any of those glue strings, I just use my blow dryer or a heat gun like this one to remove all those glue strings from my project. Okay, for our second project, what I did was I found some of these huge, large wood Christmas ornaments at my Family Dollar. Now, after I bought these, I did see that they have them at Dollar Tree as well. So you can find them either in either place. And what I did and I decided to do was just tape off certain sections of my wood ornament just to make sure that I don't paint those areas. And then I decided to keep mine more of a neutral color since I am going for the boho woodland style theme this year on my Christmas tree. So I did use a very neutral tan camel color on my ornaments. Now you can make these as glamorous or as neutral as you like. Again, like I said, I'm going more of that boho boho woodland style on my Christmas tree. But you can easily make these more of a glam by painting it pink and adding glitter, or even make it more farmhouse by making it the checkered style. You can add black and white. Or you can even add, the reds, the more traditional colors as well. So just go ahead and paint them any way you like. And since I just used one coat of paint on these huge ornaments, it didn't take very long at all for them to dry. Once they're dry, just go ahead and remove the taped areas. And here's another design I did. Again, keeping it very simple. I just added one stripe of that tape towards the top part and then painted the bottom. Again, once it was dry, removing the tape. Then I grabbed my gold paint. Now, I love this Martha Stewart gold paint. I haven't been able to find it again, so I try to keep just using a very little of it at a time. But any gold paint you can use. Just go ahead and start painting the top part of your Christmas ornament. Just continue brushing it down until you don't see any of those stripes. And there you have it. And again, I did a few of these, so I did about 5 different styles. So once you're done decorating each one of these ornaments, just let them completely dry and add them to your Christmas tree. And this is the way the final projects looked. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.